Hello guys, and welcome to another video. And today I am going to be solving a Rubik's Cube and telling you how to solve it the beginner method. Get your cube, any type would work, 3x3. I'm not going to do finger tricks. That's going to be our next video. Old or new, and let's give it a scramble. So just do any scramble. I'm just gonna do it like this, and I'm gonna solve it the beginner's method step by step. And this is not the advanced way. So since it's scrambled, the first move you do is making the cross. And how you would do that is, well, let's look around the cube. You see how the red, a white, this is an edge piece. They stay on the edges. Corner pieces stay on the corners, and middle pieces tell you where the spots are. How to solve it. Really. Guess I should be over here more. Sorry. You see reds here, and there's a red. And it is white right here, and that's right. That's white. Sorry, I can't speak. And this is orange, and that's opposite of red, and that's white. So you just turn it. You can do that, whatever. And you got a match. Right here and right here. Now you have to add in the same ones with these. So you see, I got the white right here and the green right there. So what I would do, without messing up this piece, I would bring it down. So F, reverse, scooch it over with the D, F, flip it right here, F2, and that should be on the screen. When I do it, sorry I'm getting off because I have the worst tripod. I don't even have a tripod. Okay, now this is white, that's blue, that's blue. So the move I would do, D, F reverse, F, or R if you're facing it this way, F. And that is part one, solving the cross. I'll start part two soon.